Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install ntfy, push notifications via HTTP, on AlmaLinux 9. First, update all installed packages to their latest versions. Continue to install tools required for managing repositories and secure downloads. Now, add the official Docker repository compatible with AlmaLinux 9 and refresh the package metadata. Next, install Docker and Docker Compose. Then, create the ntfy project directory. Next, create a Docker Compose configuration and insert the following content. Continue to create cache and configuration directories. Next, configure the ntfy server. Continue to start the ntfy. Next, install and enable Nginx. Then, create an Nginx configuration for ntfy. After that, test and reload Nginx. At this point, ntfy is fully deployed and running on AlmaLinux 9 using Docker Compose, with Nginx acting as a reverse proxy. The service is accessible directly via the server IP address.